Hi and welcome to the Shopware Knowledge channel. My name is Nico and today I'd like to explain a bit about what this channel actually does and what it's for. Because you've probably already seen that there are lots of video tutorials about Shopware 6 here and, well, what are they actually for? So basically, I'd see the Shopware Knowledge channel as the place to go whenever you want to build up specific knowledge. For example, hey, how do I actually create this product again? Or how exactly does the import-export work again? That's exactly when you should come here, because then you'll get a short video with a click path and someone to guide you, showing you, hey, how does it actually work? And it's also usually very easy to follow. Of course, we have other resources such as our end user documentation or our developer documentation. There you'll find many different articles about Shopware. Everything is really explained down to the smallest detail in written form. For example, if you're at work and you ask yourself, hey, I have this one value in the import-export, but what does it actually stand for? Or if I change the value in the settings, what happens then? That's exactly when you should always look at the documentation, because it'll definitely be explained there and you'll find what you need. Then I have a third place to go that I recommend to everyone, and that's our Shopware 6 Community Hub. There, you can not only exchange ideas with other people on topics that might be part of your daily work. No, you also have the opportunity to complete various learning paths there. For example, as a complete newcomer, you can take the User Essentials course to just see, hey, how do I get into Shopware and how do I set up a shop with it, right? So you're really guided from start to finish and accompanied through the course, and afterwards you'll be able to work with Shopware. But you can also build up in-depth knowledge through the courses. For example, if you're a developer and want to know, hey, how do I actually write a plugin in Shopware? I've already developed all sorts of things, but I haven't had much to do with Shopware yet. Even then, you'll find what you're looking for there. There's really something for everyone to build up a broad and really, more extensive knowledge. I hope I was able to help you with this, and I wish you every success with your Shopware project. On that note, have a nice day. Bye.